Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Camellia Akami Keys, and I'm going to be using the Roland SPD-30 Octapad and the singular sound BeatBuddy in this video for today. Thanks for watching. I'm going to quickly run through the BeatBuddy. So the BeatBuddy is really easy to use. You press just once and it'll start the... Press it twice and it stops it. That pauses it and starts it. And this is a accent or a hit. Two hits to stop it. One hit to start it. This is a transition. Hold it down for transition. That's like a fill when you hit it once. Thanks for watching. That pretty much sums up the BeatBuddy. Like I mentioned, I use it as my metronome now. I love it because I can have a full percussion section backing me up when I'm working on salsa or merengue or jazz or, really any style of music. It's just really great to work on time, work on feel, push a button, it starts, push it twice, it stops, It's really cool. So you should check it out. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Camellia Akami Keys. This is Akami Music.